What's up everyone? I know many of you want to learn your first pull-up but are stuck in some place. But don't worry, I got you covered. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a few steps through which you can learn your first pull-up. So let's get to work. So before I tell you all the steps which are required in order to unlock your pull-up, I'll first show you how a pull-up looks like. Pull-ups is one of the basics of calisthenics. It primarily targets your back, lats, biceps and forearms. It's one of those exercises which will help you to gain that V shape. So the first step is bar hanging. Bar hanging is the basic and yet the most crucial step in a pull-up. It builds the necessary grip strength which is required to hold on to the bar during the pull-up. As a beginner, you should aim for at least 30 seconds of proper bar hanging and try to make it an activated hanging, which means bringing your shoulder blades together, which creates tension in your upper back. The second step is going to be scapular retractions. Scapular retraction builds the initial pull-up motion. It basically means bringing your shoulder blades together. Do these for at least 10 reps. The third step is jumping negatives. Jumping negatives are basically jumping pull-ups. These help in getting used to the pull-up motion. Jump, grab the bar and do a pull-up and come down slowly. Do at least 5 to 7 reps of these, as these will help you to get used to the pull-up motion and also increase your reps. The final step is resistance band pull-ups. If possible, get yourself a resistance band. This benefits your pull-up motion and it also helps in adding reps. I remember when I personally started doing pull-ups, I used this resistance band extensively, which helped me to make sure that my form was on point, and also it helped me to increase my reps. So these are the only steps which are required in order to unlock your first pull-up. If you just do this training only once a month and say that you're not making progress, that's wrong. It's because you are not training consistently enough. You have to do this at least twice every week in order to see results, and you will eventually unlock your first pull-up. I personally remember the time when I was not even able to do a single pull-up, and all these steps really helped me in order to unlock my first pull-up. Alright then, I'll see you guys in the next video.